Good day, everyone. Oh, hi there. Good day, everyone. This is your boy Kemo Commercial again. So this is like a new month, February 2025, and hopefully we'll have like one of the best months to come. But yeah, guys, as you know, like I've been studying this journey of trying to document whatever that I'm doing, and currently I'm on like 68 subscribers, with 31 videos, and I'd like for anyone who clicks on this channel like to subscribe and leave a like, comment, and probably refer to your friends so that they can drop more content here and there. So yeah, this is basically my channel, and I'm trying to grow it as well. And if you're interested like in joining my Telegram channel, there's a link here whereby like I share tips and tricks on how to trade, and here and there I drop like YouTube content like links for everyone to just join. And actually I drop like feedback for these videos that I record here on this channel, on this Telegram channel. And like I said, I don't sell any mentorship, any signals, or any services related to trading, but I can only refer you to a certain like brokers which like you can use, of course, under being an affiliate for them. So if you're looking for cheap affordable sorry cheap affordable Profirm accounts, there's a link on my description for this video on Equity Edge, and you can use like the code that I'll use, that I'll enter on the description, in order for you to get like 40% off like challenges. So let's go to this week's video, and yeah, here we are, guys. So I'm looking at DXY. If you know, DXY is the dollar index, of which like people use it to use it as an indication of where the market might go for any US dollar pairs. So let's dive into it. It's okay. Looking at this pair, like you've been having higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and the previous like higher low was violated by these candlesticks here, causing like a change of character. But it might look like because this is like a higher time frame, so it might look like liquidity was taken out here. So let me draw. I'll put like my drawings on this pair. So it's Monday today. I don't record like videos on Sundays anymore, but I think I'm gonna go back to recording on Sundays. For Sundays, I usually have like plans, and I come back from church like tired. So here we go. So we had like a break of structure, meaning we're going to the upside, and then looks like there was a demand zone that was mitigated at this point also. But this is on a higher time frame, and there's a liquidity that is taken out. We are on the daily time frame, guys. Don't ever lose focus. So it looks like this was the liquidity that was taken out and keeps on going up and up and up and up again. But okay, let's go to 4-hour time frame. I want to check something else here. So if we go on the 4-hour time frame, this is a trend line liquidity. If you are using trend lines to analyze your charts, you'd see this has been like a trend inside a trend. meaning okay, there was like okay, we have like consolidation at this point and then break to the upside, expecting like a retracement, then budget to finally shoot up again. So if you look into this, and guys, if you can spot like supply and demand zones, you can use like there's an indicator that shows you like higher highs and higher lows, and let me hide fractals and just leave higher highs and higher lows. So if you look into this, it shows you like there's a high lows, high lows, and this one here got violated. It's not yet like taken out, but it was violated. So this is what you can look into. But I'm not going to focus on it now. So let me switch off like this. As an always just leave factors and hide this indicator again. But yeah, if you look into this, let's say we're still gonna have like a continuation to the upside. There's a demand zone that was left unmitigated at this point. And if I use this tool here to show what's happening, it will show us okay, that demand zone is actually at like 50% of the current running trend. So I don't think it's still valid. But going to a lower time frame, because higher time frame, on the higher time frame bias, we are currently bullish on DXY. So like I explained on the daily time frame, that this low was taken out, causing a change of character. And guys, if you know, lately I've been focusing on like using the 75% fib zone. So because this low is taken out and the market started buying, I'm currently more invested into looking at this like the reversal of like the DXY, because this is the zone whereby okay, DXY was supposed to retrace and like change direction when it comes to like being bullish and all of that. So this is what I'm currently looking at. I was currently looking at DXY to get to this point and then drop again, because we've been at their high for a very long time. I just received like what's this, an alert on GBPUSD actually. Yeah, but I'll check it out. I'm hoping that we'll have like sales on GBPUSD for now in London session, because Asian highs were taken out. But I won't go into that now and confuse everyone. So let me stick to DXY at the current moment. I just hope like there's like no lagging on this video. So yeah, let me pause this and check on the other side of my phone. Yeah, right guys, so I'll just like place my trade on like your GBPUSD. So let's continue. I'll show it on this video because like I don't think it's necessary for me to do so. So I just have to do a lot of explaining for that one. So let me focus on this. So guys, this is what I've been saying before. Like I said before, I stopped this video, and because to confirm that okay, there might be a possible reversal on your on the dollar on the dollar index. So if you're trading using, you're analyzing using trend lines, you can tell there's a breakout and a retest like at this zone. But I don't trade that anymore. So my thoughts on DXY for this coming week. You're currently like this is like basically like my own like prediction, not like an advice that I'm giving to everyone, because like I'm not regulated to be giving advices. So what I'm looking at like now, I'm observing I'm observing the charts, because on the higher time frame, okay, you might have like I said, we might be on the demand zone at this point, but then it's invalid because like it's a no, it's not invalid, but it was like mitigated and it has played its part. So I'm looking at like the fact that, let me try to draw like a pathway for this pair. So if you look into this current low here was violated the minute like we had like this low. So this one was violated, and it means yeah, having like a retracement to the upside, and then taking out like liquidity that was left like on the premium zone and whatnot. Then we're gonna take like sales for any USD pair. The one that starts with like, oh, sorry, I'm tired, yo. It's been a long weekend. Still trying to recover, so not that I was hard or anything, but yeah. So if we focus on this one, this is what I'm looking at right now for this coming week. So any pair that starts with USD, for instance, USDJPY, USDJPY, you might see like a possible bullish, bearish momentum and bias on like pairs that are like EURUSD, GBPUSD, gold and whatnot. So for now, let's leave it to play out. This is my view on like DXY. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you feel like there's anything that you want to say. Yeah, but let it be positive, even if it's like a criticism, let it be like a constructive criticism. Let's respect one another, and yeah, man, I'll be back with another video. So I'm just gonna drop these videos raw and like not edit any sound, because I just realized the media tried to edit these videos and include sounds at the background. And most of the time you won't even hear me, so I'd rather leave it like this. Cheers.